So here we have a 2001 986 Boxster S 6-speed manual in classic guards red with the black hood. It's very rare to find them as nice as this one. It's got 18-inch SportDesign alloys which have just been fully refurbished and fitted with a brand new set of Pirelli P Zero tyres. The wind deflector with the Stuttgart crest. And we've put this little Boxster through our workshop, a full recommissioning service. It's had spark plugs, coil packs, we've renewed the rear crank seal, all the metal brake pipes have been replaced, the exhaust fixings, we've done front and rear discs and pads, and it's also had 2 new air conditioning condensers and a regas, so it's all ready for the summer. It's only done 44,000 miles from new. It's got cruise control, air conditioning. It's original Porsche CDR22 radio CD player. And unusually this one has got the full leather interior. So the leather seats with the contrasting stitching. And heated seats, unusual in a Boxster this age. And it's all in really lovely original condition. It's got the leather trim on the doors as well. Boxster S badge in the door sill. So it's hard to find them as nice as this. There's certainly a lot out there which would be a lot cheaper, but you'd be hard pushed to find one quite as original and as clean as this one. We're really proud of it. If you're interested, give us a ring. Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche.